Hey everybody, I have Thomas and Friends Waterway Yearbook in 2014. Free stickers inside. Then use a 100 piece set and a play table. So overall, I build the layouts bigger. Until Grandma Rita, that's the same thing. Build the layout bigger. There's the yearbook. That was Thomas Wacky Track Bridge. Has Percy and Porter over there. For the Marrowlight's signal shed. Here we go. It's with Thomas and Friends Woodrow, sharing stories, making new friends, and learning important vows. That's the little boy using Woodrow items to know. Table of contents used to have all the sets. It's a Tale of a Brave, coming autumn 2014 on DVD. Look at this. It's Timothy, Marion, Gator, James Roaring Delivery, Oliver's Fossil Freight, Scrap Monster, things you used to know. There's a Fossil Discovery, Rake and Percy at the Scrapyard, Thomas's Fossil Run. Here's everything. Tale of a Brave the movie. Spills and Frills on DVD. Thomas and Friends. There's Porter, Duck with Bill and Ben, New Colors, Heroes Sticky Spill, Celebration Salty, it's James Fishy Delivery, Fish Covered James, Fish Swim, Steam Team, there's Thomas, James, Gordon, Henry, Emily, Toby, Edward, and Percy. This is the same Steam Team always have. Thomas and Friends, limited release, His Lady, Charlie, Salty, Birdie, Flynn, Rocky, Hero, Diesel, Stafford, Scruff, Belle. There's Rosie, Diesel 10, Scarloey, Renas, Victor and Ferdinand, Luke, Connor, and Winston, Patrick, Paxton, Butch. And here we have something from this. Musical Caboose, Spencer, Harold, Jack, Fearless Freddy, Kevin, Caitlin, Millie, Bash, Dash, Stephen Comes to Sodar. Talking Friends, there's Talking Thomas, Talking Diesel 10, Silly Steamies, Talking Emily, Talking Spencer, Out of My Way, So Coach, Talking Toby, Talking Victor, Talking Gordon, Express Coming Through. There's a new 2014 Royal Whistle Thomas, Royal Whistle Percy, Royal Whistle Luke, Royal Whistle James, Royal Whistle Emily. That's the thing. There's Better Operated. New in 2014. Better Operated Spencer, Better Operated Toby. I need Better Operated Thomas, Better Operated Percy, Better Operated Hero, Better Operated Diesel, Better Operated James, Better Operated Salty, Better Operated Booster Steam Car Thomas. There's no doubt for this one, for the whole railway. Special moments, there's Adventures of Thomas, Santa's Little Engine, Troubles and Trucks and Sweets, Happy Birthday, Percy Musical Ride, Rescue to the Rescue, Dan and Dart. That's a special yearbook. Gets a circus train, oil and coal cargo, Thomas's Castle Delivery, Iron Air and Iron Bird, Stephen's Castle Coaches, Annie and Clarabelle, Race to the Rescue is Butch and Flynn, Giggle and Troubles and Trucks, Toby's Castle Delivery, Annie Aquarium Cars, and that's train sets new in 2014. Steaming Around Sodar, Lumberyard Waterfall Adventure. There's a American Wreck Crusher. That's a brand new one. Train sets a Timber Company Deluxe Figure 8 set, Person and Mail Depot set, Coal Hopper Figure 8 set. These are the brand new thing, classic coal hopper, along with Brenda Bay shipping set, 5-in-1 up and around set, There's a train set. Used to be Tim of Sheds Deluxe set with a storage box, oil starter set, oval starter set, sorry, and Deluxe Canada Railway set. There's the Destinations, new in 2014, Light and Sounds Ironworks, Timoth Station, Spin and Swim Lily Pond Bridge, Mariner Lights and Sound Signal Shed, Wood Chipper, a Naver Station with Crescent Gates, and we have Crank the Crane, Water Tower, Castle Crane, Deluxe Over the Track Signal, sort of washed down, and here was Destinations. The new Timoth Sheds includes a brown turntable, Deluxe Roundhouse with a red turntable, Deluxe Railroad Crossing, and a searchlight. That's the one that used to be. Accessories, new in 2014, Timoth's Tip and Bridge, Transformation Track Bridge, Bliss Cove Lighthouse, Over Under Bridge, Scenes and Sort of Tunnel Set, Elevated Crossing Gate, along with Snow Tunnel, Waikiki Track Bridge, Quarry Mine Tunnel, Log Tunnel, Stone Drawbridge, Salty. There's a track pack that used to be have Deluxe Figure 8 Convention Track Set pack, Extended Track Razor Pack, Figure 8 Set Expansion Pack, Crash Track Pack, Curve Track Pack, and Straight and Curve Expansion Pack. There's a playtime accessories, new in 2014, all up and around sort of Adventure Tower, Railway Adventure Playboard, Island Sorter Play Table, and Island of Sorter Fit Playmat. There's a creative junction, mix, match, and build, slot and build, pick and stack. The Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway Builder is great. Never have with this sets always come to life. My first Thomas and Friends used to have any of those things. I don't take a long Trackmaster like that anymore. I just don't. Free stickers and always matched very well. All the sets used to build bigger. And that's it for the 2014 yearbook sets. So it gives you a better one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.